marching in a line, swinging their trunks and feeling fine. They stomp through the jungle, bold and free, happy as can be under the tall green tree. One stopped to splash in a muddy lake, four marched on with a gentle shake. Four little elephants, strong and grand, waving their ears and kicking up sand. One saw a bird and paused to play, three kept walking on their way. Three little elephants, big and gray, trumpeting loud as they went to stay. One got sleepy and lay down to rest, two moved on, feeling their best. Two little elephants side by side, marching along with a joyful stride. One found bananas and stayed for a snack, one kept going and never looked back. One little elephant all alone, walking the path on its own. Then came Mama with a loving call, and five little elephants marched back tall.